Hey fourth graders, welcome to page 115 and 116. Today is a review page, but that does not mean that you don't need help, okay? So if you have any questions, a pesar que es repaso, estoy aquí. Mándame un mensaje. And we're gonna go over a few to help you. If you look at page 116, there's a lot of conversions, okay? And I've taught you a lot of those, but I'm going to do a few with you so that you can try your hardest on the other ones, okay? So let's look at it. Number one, I'm not going to do with you because look, you have an ejemplo right there. If you forget how to do it, you have 6/8 to help you. Remember, you find your pairs of, look at it, look at page 115 because I'll go over it with you. You have your 6 and you have your 8. What are your pairs of factors for 6? 1, always start with 1. Right? The first two factors of every number are 1 times the number, okay? 1 times 6, then you move to 2. 2 times 3, then you can't move anywhere else, so you're done. 1 times 6, 2 times 3. Our list of factors, you put them in order, then you take the same numbers from the parentheses. 1, 2, 3, 6. That's your list. Okay, now you go to number 8. What are your pairs of factors? 1, 8, 2, 4. You make your list. 1, 2, 4, 8, right? Okay, now you can find the ones in common, right? 1, always, 2, and 4, or no 4, right? So you have 1 and 2. Then you find your greatest common factor. Greatest is the biggest one. Entonces, what is it, 1 or 2? 2, that's the biggest number in the list of common factors. And then you reduce your fraction, okay, which is what we talked about yesterday. If you have 6/8, your greatest common factor is 2, necesitamos dividir. Recuerden que hay dos pasos cuando reduciendo nuestras fracciones. 1, encontramos the greatest common factor. Ya la encontramos, es 2. Entonces después, paso 2 es dividir. 2 y 2. Entonces su respuesta es 3/4, and that's what's in the box right there. Okay? So let's look at number 2. Look guys, at number 2 on page 115 and number 9 on page 116, they are the same concept. They just want to make sure that you're remembering them well, okay? So I'm going to do a couple of them with you on number 2, so that when you get to number 9, you can do the whole thing by yourself. Okay, so recordamos our 2 pasos. Vamos a encontrar los factores de 1 y 4, or perdón, 4 y 12. What are my factors of 4? Sama? 1, 4, and 2. What are my factors of 12? Keanu? 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. What's my greatest common factor, Scarlett? 4, right? Because we have 1 and 1 is common, 2 and 2 is common, 4 and 4 is common, and 4 is the biggest, so we're going to divide by 4. So what is my new answer, Kiara? 1/3. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay? Try letter B by yourself. Letter B. Okay, are we ready? Of course we are. So let's look at it. What are my factors of 8? Jayla? 1, 8, 2, 4. What are my factors of 14? Scarlett? 1, 14, 2, 7. What's my greatest common factor, Kiara? 2, because we only have 1 and 2 in common. So we're going to divide by 2. So what's my new fraction, Salma? 4/7. Excellent. Okay? I don't want to do any more with you because I want to see you do them by yourself, okay? But if you have dudas or you want me to check to see if you're doing it right, just send me a message, okay? Let's look at letter number 3, letter A. I think that you guys remember this, but I just want to make sure. Remember, when it asks you 1/3 of 12, you just need to divide 12 and 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, okay? And that's what you do for all of them. Look at letter B, 1/2 of 6. So you do 6 divided by 2. That's how you do, okay? Let's see, do you need number 4, letter A? No, you can do that one by yourself. Letter B, this is a fun one. I'm going to help you with this one, not because I don't think you can do it. I think you can do it, but I just want to be able to teach you how to process it in your mind, okay? Look what it says in letter B. Beth spent 4 weeks and 3 days in Australia on a mission trip. Ooh, do you guys know what a mission trip is? It's a viaje misionera. And that's when you go to another part of the world to go tell people about Jesus Christ and maybe help them with different things. Maybe building houses, building a church, giving them food and different stuff like that. But the main propósito is to tell them about Jesus Christ and how to get to heaven. But did you know that Jesus Christ also wants us to help people with their physical needs? So we need to be telling them about Jesus, but we also need to be helping them with the things that they need. Or it's like we really don't care about them. Are they going to believe in the love of Jesus if we don't care about them? No. Okay, so she went to Australia on a mission trip. How many days did she serve in Australia? 4 weeks, 3 days. Okay, so smarties, because you guys are very intelligent, how many days are in 4 weeks? How many days are in 4 weeks? I'll give you a chance to think about it. Keanu. 28, right? How do you know? There's 7 days in a week. I have 4 weeks, so 7 times 4 is 28. So there's 28 days in 4 weeks. Plus, she did another 3 days. So in all, how many days did she do? Fernanda? Maybe she's right, maybe she's not. I'm not going to tell you. I want you to figure it out. Okay. I'll tell you when I check it. Okay, number 5, you don't need help on. Let's see, look up page 116. Number 6, you don't need help on. Number 7, dun, 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 dun. I'm not going to help you with letter A. You guys can do letter A, and you can do letter D. I'm going to help you with letter C, but you have to do letter B by yourself. Okay, so I'll help you with letter C. Just remember for letter B that there's 12 months in a year. M-O means 12 months. You should do the process with me because that's going to help you in the future. Okay, here we go. 24 gallons plus 32 quarts equals how many quarts? Keanu, which one do I need to change? Do I change to 24 gallons or do I change to 32 quarts? I have to change the gallons because we need everything in quarts. So I'm going to cross this out and put it down here. So here we go. What do I put on the bottom, Fernanda? Gallons or quarts? Gallons. Whatever here has to always go on the bottom. So what goes on top, Scarlett? Quarts. How many quarts are in a gallon, Salma? 4. 4 quarts in a gallon. So because this number that's not 1 is on top, do I multiply or do I divide? Jayla? I multiply, okay? So let's multiply down here. 4 times 4, Kiana? 16. 4 times 2 plus 1, Sama? 9. So this is 96. So what's my answer? 96. Yep, it is. Okay, so what's my answer over here, Kiara? 96 plus 32, right? 6 plus 2 is 8, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So 128 quarts is my answer, okay? Look at letter 8. Letter 8, gosh. Number 8, there are 4 incorrect answers. If I see you adivinando, I'm going to make you do it again, okay? There are 4 incorrect answers. You need to look at each one of these. You have to go look at A. Is it right or is it wrong? Look at B. Is it right or is it wrong? Is it C? Is it right or is it wrong? You can't just go in there and be like, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to circle whatever I want. No, that's not going to help you, okay? 4 incorrect answers. And number 9 is reducing. Like I told you, I prepared you so you can do it all by yourself. But if you need help, I am here for you. Okay, guys? Have a great day. Love you.